So the first thing we need to do now is open up Photoshop. So we're going to go up to our little magnifying glass up in the top right here, and we're going to type in Photoshop. And we'll go ahead and click on Photoshop 21. Yours might be a little bit different. You might have a newer version. That's okay. Use that one. Once we have Photoshop open, we are going to go down to where it says Create New. From there, we are going to go to where it says Print, and we are going to click on where it says letter. Now, the next thing we need to do is decide if whether or not we want our image to be what we call portrait, which is tall and skinny, or landscape, which is short and fat. So you can choose either one of these. Once you start, this is the format that it's going to be in, so it's not going to be possible to go back and change these later. So you want to be sure that you pick whichever one you think you're going to want the most. Either one's good. I would say don't worry too much about it. I'm going to go with landscape. Once I click landscape, I don't need to worry about any of this stuff here except where it says untitled-1. We're going to go ahead and just call this our last name. I'm a first initial underscore Surreal Landscape. And that way we already have our file name. So that way when we go to open it and we go to save it for the end, we just have to save it as a JPEG. From there, you should be all good. And we just need to go ahead and click create. And now you are ready to start bringing in your background landscape images, and then you can start adding all of your objects and people and things in next.